think about visual art journals, paintings, assemblages and more? If you like it like I do, then you are right here. Hi, I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you. Hello everybody, welcome back, and in case you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you are here to my newest release of a video collaboration video. It is for the Artsy Trio and it is for the mood board number 37. I will have all the links for the video collaboration, which is Gina from Oregon, USA and Marie from Sweden, down below in the comments. I also will put the link to the Facebook group there. If you want to join us and grab all those mood boards, you are more than welcome. You're also welcome to add your own version, your own interpretation of those mood boards in the group, and we love to see what you come up with. So for this mood board, which has a lot of blues, greens and like a beigey yellow thing, I started out with some acrylic paint, just with the blue and the orange, not orange, pink, what I'm talking about. It's a pink I have used, because I do see a pink here in the rose, just on the diagonal. And then I went over with one of my stencils. As you can see, I do not clean my stencils. You can find those stencils in my shop if you're interested. I did use the flowers because this piece is actually a fabric piece, which there are like sequin flowers on top of it. So that's why I did use this flower shaped stencil to go all over the page again. You're also going to see me go to my box where I have my ephemera, my printouts and whatnot. So this is actually collage paper. I do a lot of test prints when I design my collage papers, and then I just can't throw them out. I just keep them until I can use it in an art journal or something like that. So I did use my own collage paper pieces. That's also a piece I had from a jelly printing session. This piece here, and where are the others? Here I did cover it up with the stencils. I do my backgrounds, and if I cover up something, that's fine with me. I know there is another piece of this faux washi tape which I did myself underneath this lady, but I don't care. The background I just start somehow without thinking too much and not being too precious with what I have already done. That's really something you should avoid. If you're starting to getting too precious with your things, you sort of limit yourself what you could reach, what you could do actually. So the background is just the background, and if I cover it up with something, that's totally fine. Anyway, then yeah, that is my own faux washi tape, which is actually just a painter's tape, and then I did print something on it. Again, that are pieces from some of my collage papers, that's on the background too. Those pieces here are those cellophane tapes which I do pull from a book page, and then I go over with the alcohol ink to make sort of fancy tapes. You're also gonna see me using clear gesso, because I knew I wanted to color, because it was mostly black and white, but I knew I wanted to color in her a bit, so I needed to add some clear gesso so that the watercolors which I wanted to use with the face has something to grab on. This piece is from a magazine, and besides that I also did use the Stabilo All, you're gonna see that, which is a water-soluble pencil, like a standard pencil, but you can activate it with water. That's what I did here. Now, as always, you will find all the links to Gina's video, to Marie's video, and the Facebook group link down below in the descriptions. And as it is a time lapse, if you have any questions, if something is not clear, just leave them down below in the comment. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye.